In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bookmark thread in Perplexity AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to quickly save any important conversation so you can return to it later without digging through your entire history. First, open your Perplexity account. You can do this in a web browser or the mobile app. Make sure you're signed in because bookmarks are tied to your account. If you have multiple devices, using the same account ensures your saved threads stay in sync. Next, click History. This is where all your past conversations are stored, typically organized by date and title. On desktop, you'll usually find History in the left sidebar. On mobile, it may appear in the main menu or at the bottom of the screen. Give the page a second to load if you have a lot of threads. A quick refresh can help if it seems slow. Now, click open the specific thread you want to save. Choose the conversation that has the answer, research, or prompt you know you'll want to revisit. If you don't immediately see it, scan the titles or use the search bar if it's available to narrow things down. Opening the thread first is important because the bookmark will apply to the conversation you're currently viewing. At the top, click the three dots. This is the More Options menu, usually located in the upper right corner of the thread view. If your window is narrow, the menu might be tucked behind an icon, so try expanding your window or scrolling to the top to reveal it. Finally, click Add Bookmark. After you select it, you should see a quick confirmation, like a small notification or a change in the icon, indicating the thread is now saved. From this point forward, you can come back to this conversation without retracing your steps through history. Bookmarks are especially helpful for long research threads, project planning, or any answer you'll reference repeatedly. A few practical tips as you use this. Stay signed in to keep bookmarks available across sessions and give your conversations clear titles as you go, so they're easier to recognize later. If you don't see the Add Bookmark option immediately, make sure you've opened the thread itself and not just hovering in the history list. Sometimes the three-dot menu shows different options depending on where you are, and that's it. Open your Perplexity account, click History, open the specific thread, tap the three dots at the top, and choose Add Bookmark. Simple, fast, and a real time saver for keeping your best answers one click away.